Install replacement batteries. First step to replace the battery is to remove the sensor from the machine. Undo the mounting screw. This holds the case together. Take it out of the case and set it aside. Next step is to take your Phillips #1 screwdriver, remove the 2 screws on the battery cover. Once you have your screws loose, tap them to take them out, set them aside in a safe place. Grab here and here on the enclosure and pull upwards. That will open the back. You'll be able to take out your old batteries, set those aside. Take your new batteries, pay attention to the positive and negative indicators, and positive and negative on your batteries. Place the new batteries in place. Line the back cover up, making sure this seals tightly. You need to maintain that seal, and then put your 2 screws back in here. Confirm your batteries are installed properly. Sometimes the green light will not come on. If you press the install button, you'll be able to see the blue flashing light. That confirms your batteries are installed properly and your sensor is ready for operation. Now that you confirmed it's operating properly, you're ready to mount back onto the machine. Put in the screw, put it back on the machine, and then tighten back to 2 to 3 Newton meters. And now you know how to